Hello, everyone. Thank you for stopping by my channel today. This video will be about how to create a thumbnail better with Canva. So a lot of fun with Canva. You can do a lot of things if you're creating thumbnails, which is what we're going to do today. It's pretty easy. So hope everyone is doing well. And let's jump right in. Okay, so basically when I create my thumbnails, I do use Canva. That link is going to be down in the description area. So I just wanted to bring you guys this because it's really cool. Basically, when you get here, you click on Create a Design, which will take you to this page right here. All right, and how I created this is I chose a particular background. And we'll click and see there, and you can choose any background that you like, which I find very fun, and spend a lot of time over here just having fun creating. So this is pretty easy. Anybody can do it. You do need to have internet connection, and you can do this on a laptop or desktop, also a iPad as well. So you can do that. You can also do it on a basically what you can do is you can use that on a cell phone as well. So lots of fun. And what you can also do here, how I got this text over here is I clicked on text. And you can choose from any of these and you can make it say whatever you want. So once you bring it over here, it'll be highlighted like that. And you can click and you can make this anything that you want to. You can also highlight this and you can choose a different color if you like. And when you choose that color, you click outside of it and it looks like that. But we're going to change that back. If you want to change that back, you just use that, click back inside, and it's changed back. If you're satisfied with the way that it looks, you can just leave it just like that. You can click on this right here and that little square goes away. If you wanted to move that up like that, you can certainly do that as well. Any changes that you make, you want to go over here to file and you want to click save. You have a lot of different things that you can do around here. But since we made that change, we want to click save. And so let's look at pictures. You can add pictures to this, which is really cool. If you wanted to, you can certainly add pictures. You can also type here and see if you can find anything creative. So really cool right here. If you like any pictures, you can bring it over. You can also resize it, which is really cool. Resize, you can make it small, you can make it big. If you decide that you don't want it, you just drag it with your left mouse back over here. If you're on an iPad, I imagine you just put your finger on it and drag it back where you want it to go. All right, and so basically what you're going to do here is any of these pictures that you wanted to choose, you can choose them, which is really cool. So that's really cool right there. I like that one. That one's really cool. Don't necessarily go with what I'm trying to do, so we'll put that back over there. And what else? If you wanted to add your own pictures, you can certainly upload them here. To upload, you just click on Upload Media, and it quickly uploads. You can make that as tiny as you like. Or if you don't like that, you can put that back over there. So really have a lot of fun using these. You can add your logo as well. Looks like you can upload your logo if you wanted to. And I typically like to use this particular signature here. Well, I just like to signature my work. So sometimes I'll do that. Of course, you want to resize that. And I typically like to use this. You can also, remember, you can highlight this and make the text a little bit smaller. Make that smaller. You can also delete it and add your own text in there. So it's going to make it smaller. And if you like what you see so far, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Down in the description area underneath this video, you are going to find a product that I use in my own business. So for everybody that watched this video to the end, if you'd like to get the product bonus that I have, you can provide your name and email. When you click on the link in the description underneath this video, it is a product that I find very helpful. Basically, you can use it for any niche. So go ahead and check it out. And once you add your email, it'll automatically come to you. Okay? So be sure to check that out. All right. If you're liking this video so far, if you're liking the creative flow that's happening right now, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe, because I'll be providing lots of tips and just creative stuff that I use in my business. So if you find it helpful today, just go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bonus. That way you will be sure to get my notifications in any videos that I put out. You'll be notified right away. They may be something that you can use. If not, you can certainly share. It may help someone else. So once you've made all your changes, be sure to come over here and click Save. In this area right here, you can just click and name your project. Okay. And then when you get finished, you can download it to your desktop or whatever folder you want to download it to by clicking the download. And then once it downloads, it asks you where you want to save it. So where we want to save this is right here. Okay. And I had already saved it before, but since I made some updates, we want to save that. And so basically what we want to do from here is you can then upload that to YouTube. So if you're posting YouTube videos, if you're posting them, then and you need a thumbnail, this is a great place here at canva.com where you can come and create and upload that from your saved folder. So wherever you save this, you can upload that. One other small tip is you want to make sure your thumbnail is 300 by 200. That's the size it needs to be. Okay. All right. So if you're liking this video, go ahead and hit me a like. Hit the like button and share it. It helps me and others get this content quite a bit that you can do here with Canva. So with that, happy holidays. And until the next time, take care of yourself.